Hi everyone. Today I am here with the notification which was released by our government, and the notification was on Telangana Police Recruitment 2021, which is for the post of Assistant Public Prosecutor vacancy. So it was released by TSLPRB, which is Telangana State Level Police Recruitment Board, and it has invited for the post of APP, which is Assistant Public Prosecutor. It will be candidates will be selected on the basis of the performance in a written test and interview or physical test. In written test, it will be in two phases, like paper 1 and paper 2. For paper 1, there will be multiple choice questions, which consist of 100 marks for 200 questions, and paper 2 is descriptive and it consists of 100 marks. So coming to vacancy, we have 151 vacancies in this post. And coming to pay scale, it is very good, which is from 54,220 to 1,33,630 rupees. Coming to the eligibility criteria, all the candidates who have bachelor degree in any subject can write this exam, and the candidates must have a bachelor degree in law, in LLB or BL, and candidates must have practiced as an advocate for at least 3 years. It is must. So you should keep in mind that you must have practiced as an advocate for at least 3 years. Only then you can apply for this post, otherwise you are not eligible. So keep it in mind. Coming to age limit, it is 34 years. Candidate should be 34 years as on July 1st 2021. And coming to age relaxation, for SC, ST and OBC, it is up to 5 years. For physically handicapped people, it is up to 10 years. And for ex-servicemen who are like Army, Air Force and Navy members, they can have 3 years of age relaxation. And for NCC candidates, it will be up to 3 years. And NCC candidates who worked as an instructor can only have this age relaxation up to 3 years. So coming to application fee, it for SC and ST candidates it is 750 rupees, and for all other candidates it is 1500 rupees. Coming to the date of application, starting date for online application is 11th August 2021, and last date for online application is 29th August 2021. You can also visit tslprb.in website for downloading the notification and applying online. Online application will be active from 11th August 2021. For more details, I am also providing the link in the description to download the notification and online application. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you.